Alright guys, today we are back with another Grom update video, and this time around we're going to be installing some more performance related mods instead of just stuff to make it look pretty. But what we've got today, we've got some 50% clutch springs from MNNTHBX, and we're also going to try out this
beautiful
clutch lifter plate from MNNTHBX as well, and we'll see if that fits because that's for the last generation Grom and we're not 100% sure if it'll work. And we've got a new filter, new oil, new gasket here, and check out this crap that UPS just dropped off. This is parts for the Grom in this box. I mean, it's ridiculous. But that's enough griping in this video about that. Let's go ahead and get started on installing this stuff, and we'll touch base here in just a minute with an update, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, one thing that's so awesome about the Grom, look at that, we just filled up $4.31, cheap, and we were on reserve if the gas light was flashing. But aside from that, we just got the, we just installed the MNNTHBX 50% clutch springs. And now we're gonna go take it for a quick spin and see how it feels. I just live like literally a rock's throw from here down to the gas station, and you can tell a massive difference in just how much more bite it has. And then the clutch pull too, it's definitely quite a bit different. Feels more like a, I hate to say big bike or normal bike, but it does, because the factory clutch setup, I mean, it's just, it pulls so easy, which is nice, but having some substance there, a lot better. Man, oh yeah, you can tell a big difference. Big difference. So much better feel. We'll have to launch it here in a minute at a red light and see how much better it feels as far as grabbing. And you gotta love just how easy it was to install them. Super straightforward. Oh, I can't get over that. Feels so much better. But yeah, for the money and something that you use all the time, especially if you're going to modify it, how you want something stronger in there, so that way you don't end up burning through the clutches as fast, especially if you're modifying it and doing any type of hell raising in it, whether it be stunting, drag racing, road racing, it doesn't matter. Definitely well worth the money, in my opinion. Oh yeah. So much better. warning, student driver. Oh, I love these warning student driver stickers. I hate these cars that are ex-cop cars. They always make you give a double glance. Beautiful day. Hooters! But yeah, guys, definitely a lot more bite with this 50% spring setup. I definitely recommend going this route. For such a cheap mod, it's hands down something that everybody should do. But yeah, while we're testing out this new setup and shooting this video, before we head to the office to edit this video, we're gonna swing by 423 Detail and show Nathan and Casey the bike and see what they think of the new additions that we've thrown at it. Couldn't ask for a better day. In mid-70s, sun's out. Modified Grom, we just threw some new parts on, testing them out, shooting a video. I mean, a year ago I was sitting at my desk selling motorcycles, doing this on the side, or not this, but this Honda Pro Kevin stuff on the side. And now, thanks to you guys watching these videos, I'm giving it a wing and trying it full time. So that means I'm working right now as I'm out shooting a video, riding my motorcycle. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. So I can't thank you guys enough for the support. Help me, continue on the dream, of staying involved in the power sports industry, because this is what I love. And I can't say thank you enough. After the dealership that I've been at the last 15 years closed up just a few months ago, I mean, I didn't know what I was going to do. But yeah, thank you guys. Alright guys, let's try a quick launch. See what she feels like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Big difference. Big difference. Yeah, she definitely feels a lot better launching. You can control the clutch slippage a lot more than what you could with the factory setup. So I can't wait to get back to the drag strip and see how good it feels trying to come out of the hole, time after time before it starts to slip. And of course we'll do some different clutches in the future, but this definitely a big difference from where we were. And one thing I want to talk about, I can't remember if I showed it that well in the video. I think I did, or at least I took a couple pictures of it. You guys want to make sure to clean that screen, because there was a lot of trash in it, and we've only got 189 miles on this bike. So I could imagine, if you went even longer without changing it, just how much crap is in there, during the initial break-in. And we had some stuff. I got a picture of it on my finger. I don't know what it was. It wasn't just metal pieces, metal shavings that were in there. It was almost like it was part of a scrub pad or something. It's hard to explain, but it's trash that shouldn't be in there, floating around. Thankfully the screen did its job in the way that it grabbed it, but still, you don't want it to be floating around in there. So that's why, make sure to clean it up, get rid of it as quick as possible. And you could see a few metal pieces floating around in the oil filter itself too. So just a friendly reminder, guys, Honda says 600 miles for the first service, technically your first oil change, and there's also more to it than that, but I don't know if I would wait 600 miles to get that crap out of there if I were you. Sports. Oh look, they even spray painted over the muffler on the back. It's a sports Accord.
This is an 81 Honda. How dare you?
I'll try to be nice. We won't say anymore.
Houston, we have a problem.
I got a weird noise going on. The crap. I thought I tightened everything up, but I don't know. Now I'm really doubting myself. So this is not good. And we are almost at the office, so I can edit this video. And now it's going to drive me crazy wondering what the crap just happened to this thing. But on that note, guys, we're going to end the video off. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see more Grom content or other Honda stuff, as that's what we do here, Honda stuff. But thanks again for watching and for all the support, guys. I really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for all your power and your grace, dear baby God. Amen.